Hey guys, what's up? So I figured while I'm here and it's a nice day, even though it's kind of muddy, I'd do a little quick Bus 3 update. So not much really to update you, just figured I'd do a walk around and stuff and show you guys, how it's sitting and what it looks like. And again, it's February 3rd right now as I'm recording this. It's actually quite warm for February here in Ohio. And guess what? It's going to get cold again and snow more, so that's fun. So not much is really happening because, again, it's cold. There's not really much I can do when it's, cold outside. So, yeah, there's the lovely Amtran RE. But, my first plan this spring is to pull the engine out, take the hood off, and hopefully get rid of this nuisance of a wheelchair lift that they decided to stick in my bus. There's a stop sign, which one of these stop signs is going to donate parts to that bus to fix its stop sign. And again, we have the lovely drawers of parts. There's the LEDs that had them so badly once. So not much to really show you. So pretty much, not much really to show you. I know I keep saying that, but I guess I could just talk about what I've got planned. Like I said, engine's going to be pulled out, try to get rid of this lift. Eventually, I want to clear this kind of out, which I don't really have anywhere to put it since this is my storage bus for the time being. But my goal is to have the bus running by the end of this year. I know that's kind of a big goal to make, but it's a goal that I would like to try to hit. If not running, then at least an engine and a transmission that works for it. I'd like to try to buy a donor bus. So if you guys see a Wayne Lifeguard with an S-Series chassis anywhere, just whatever, share it with me, because you don't know, maybe I'll buy it, use it for parts. Anyways, this is really just a vlog, and it is an update. I don't know. And you guys have seen 66. I just did a video on my lights and how I do my little inspection. So, yeah. And you guys have seen these mud flaps. Those are 19's mud flaps. I'll put a picture of 19 in here for you. Let's see, not much else to really show you. This bus, its brakes aren't, look, there's an international emblem that has magnets on it, and, anyways, the bus's brakes are, released, so if I had more than the power of myself, this bus would move right now, but I am not strong enough to pull this bus, obviously. So, here's something. I have some emergency exit lettering I need to replace on this bus because some of it's starting to peel off. That's not 3. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think. And oh, so I have this thing for getting on the roof of my buses. In case you didn't know, I'm currently sitting on the roof of 3. And, it's not a school day, so no buses are going to be passing. But there is one thing I want to show you. As soon as I do it, you're going to be laying on 3's roof for a second. So I am now standing on 3. You can see my shadow there. So the reason why I do this on this bus and not 66 is because this bus has a flat roof. So I don't know, but I've done this before, just walking the length of the roof and then sitting down at the edge to look down at the body. There's 66. It's kind of a cool view. Maybe this will be a thumbnail. I don't know. Well, that's pretty much it. Not gonna walk back up front. I just thought I would do this to show you guys that I'm crazy. That's what I'm doing. But, yeah, no, this is, my Wayne, and I'm walking on it. Walking on the Wayne. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.